Let's talk about Telnet today. We'll capture Telnet packets to reveal how data, including username and passwords, are sent over wire as a plain text. For this, we are going to set up a demo environment that will require two instances of Ubuntu, basically one acting as a server and client, and do the configuration required, do a packet capture, and then analyze the PCAP on Wireshark. So let's start by creating Ubuntu instances. Let's open up my terminal. I'll be using Multipass. Let's see if it is on installed. So multipass list will list the instances I have already created. I don't have any. So launch will launch two launch minus minus name and telnet server. And meanwhile it gets installed. Let's go and check what is multipass. So just searching multipass will give you this documentation. This is an Ubuntu. Basically, you can easily spin up Ubuntu instances using multipass. So this documentation, you can go ahead and understand how it on how to's, what it is and how is it created, how is it helpful. You can go ahead and just go through this documentation. If you just want to create a Ubuntu instance, it's just do multipass launch. And if you want a specific version, you can go and just do multipass find to find the versions available and select them. You can also, allocate CPUs, memory, and disk to the instance you are creating. Let's go and check if our machine got created. I see it got created. We'll do the same thing for client. So it is starting. So as I was talking about, you can actually give a specific name using -f name flag. You can also create instance with multiple network interfaces based on your like use case. There are so many things which Multipass is offering. Let's go and check if it got created. It's still creating. I use Multipass in my day-to-day life. Basically, it is a go-to tool for me. Like for any POC, you just spin up a Ubuntu instance and then, you know, install whatever software is required and then do a POC and, decompose. Now, if we see, let's go to do my Multipass list. We can see there are two instances created with these IPs. Ubuntu 24.04 is the OS version. And if you just want to know more about it, info. Yep. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will be actually configuring the Telnet server.